Hey guys, what's up? It's Redemption Gaming here, and today we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. I kind of already opened the box because the game's in there, but whatever. Yeah, we have ourselves a Black Ops 4 Pro Edition for the PlayStation 4, and you know, Raven, Treyarch, best game company in the world, and we got the game loaded in right behind us there. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun. All right. So. First things first, that this thing comes with, let me just, don't have anyone to record for me, so I'm just doing it by myself. That. Sorry for that weird cut. So we get steel box of the game, some zombies artwork in the back, and the specialist artwork in the front, and then the side, Call of Duty Black Ops 4. It's pretty sick actually. And then inside of it, the disc goes there obviously, and then Black Ops Pass, and then digital content, and then some more bullshit. But I think that looks pretty sick if you ask me. I really like the cover art for it. Alright, next thing that we got is a whole bunch of Warrior stuff. So let's just put that box there. Yeah, that's right. Alright, so what is this? I think this is pop socket for a phone. So useful, right? Yep, there it is. Pop sockets. Use your phone better. It's got the Black Ops logo on it. It's not bad. Pop me twice, clip me. Alright, we all know how pop sockets work, I hope. If you don't, then good for you. You're not tainted by society. Alright, next. So we got something from Zombies, I guess. I think these are the collectible art cards. Yep, look at that. So, The Voyage of Despair. That looks pretty cool. Titanic. This is pretty cool art. Oh god, this next one's great. This is for 9. This guy's eye, bro. Look at that. It's crazy. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then we got one for Blood of the Dead. Oh, this might be my favorite one. That looks amazing. That actually looks so cool. I like this one the best, easily. Alright, so we got those there. This last one, oh yeah, it's the specialist patches. I like this one a lot. I might put some on my jackets later. I like the Ruin one a lot. I also really like Recon. And which other one? Firebreak's kind of weird. Yeah, I like Ruin the most. That one looks sick. But yeah, those are all the specialists we got. Firebreak, Torque, Prophet, Battery, Nomad, Ajax, Recon, Seraph, Crash, and Ruin. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. Alright, well, that's been it for this unboxing of Black Ops 4 Pro Edition PS4. They didn't have a PS4 bundle like the Black Ops 3 one did, which is pretty cool. I kind of decked it out, but like, I can't tell if you can see it. You can see kind of the lines on it. Yeah, I put carbon fiber on it, so just put it to the light a little bit. Yeah, you can see it there. It doesn't come like that. I did that myself. But anyway, yeah, I didn't have a cool PlayStation 4 bundle with it, but it just had this or the mystery box edition. But I wasn't about to drop $300 just for a game and a cool looking box. I mean, it was worth it for this one. I keep putting my fucking finger in front of the camera. Whatever, it's fun. I haven't done this in a while. Yeah. Alright. Well, I guess that's it. So yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing. Leave a like, subscribe. I don't even think anyone's watching this. Shout out to Hurag, Gada, and Garo for being the only people that are gonna watch this. Maybe Hovig, I don't know. But that's it. Whoever else is watching this and I just spat random names, don't worry about it. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it for the game. So, I'll see you guys in the next video if there ever is one. I don't think there's gonna be any more videos after this. And as always, redeem yourselves.